Hello, handbag enthusiast of all kinds. Charisma here of Chariz Customize Me or KCMEB.com. Usually I'm on here talking about handbags, but today we are reviewing the Wrap Snacks Salt and Vinegar Truffle Chips. Nikki Minaj. They are so good. First of all, you can catch them. They're in a royal blue pack with fuchsia writing. She's on the cover with her sunglasses. And when I tasted these, I was like, these are so good. They are the perfect balance of salt and vinegar and truffles. The salt and vinegar is not overpowering the truffles. Go ahead and get yourself a bag. I give it a 10 out of a 10. You can catch me at KCMEB.com for more reviews. Thank you for watching. God bless. Don't forget to subscribe.